Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. In the previous video, we have discussed two questions from this chapter, exercise 6.1. Today we are going to discuss some more problems from lines and angles. So let's get started. Okay friends, let us read the question. In figure 6.15, the given figure is 6.15, okay? In figure 6.15, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay. Here we are talking about the angles only. There are so many angles. Okay. So, let us make it easy. Here angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR. Where is angle PQR? Here. Let us name it angle 1. Okay, it will be easy for us. Angle PQR is equal to 1 and angle PRQ, let us name it 2. And we have to prove this angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So, let angle PQS is 3 and let angle PRT is 4. Okay, now in figure 6. Again read the question. In figure 6.15, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It means it is given. What is given? Given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It means what? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now according to our figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Now to prove. What do we need to prove? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. It means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay. Now, observe carefully. Angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they form a linear pair. Linear pair means straight angle which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. See here. They form a linear pair. Okay. Now, similarly, now let us name it equation number 1. Now, similarly, angle 2 plus angle 4 also form a linear pair. Isn't it? Linear pair. Okay. So, this is equation number 2. Okay. See, they also form a linear pair. Okay. So, here from equation number 1 and 2. If you observe carefully, equation number 1 and 2, they have RHS is equal. RHS equal. So, left hand side should also be equal. Okay. So, equate left hand side. Okay. RHS are equal. So, LHS should be equal. So, equate LHS of both the equations. Then we will get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Okay. Now, here it is given, see here, it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It means here we can cancel angle 1 and angle 2 both the sides. Why? Because they are equal. Okay, angle 1 and angle 2, okay, are same, equal, and they are in different sides. Okay, in LHS and in RHS. If you transpose angle 2 to left hand side, we will get minus angle 2 and they are equal. Okay, they will get cancelled. So, you can cancel here. What is the reason? Write the reason here. Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. So, this is the reason. So, now angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is what we needed to prove. Okay. So, hence proved. You can write it in the last. Okay, I hope you have understood this clearly. Now let's move to the next question. In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to y plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. We have to prove that AOB is a line. We have to prove that this AOB is a line. Okay, now you say that, ma'am, already it is looking like a line. Then, okay, so no, it is looking like a line, but it is not given that AOB is a line. We have to prove that AOB is a line. Okay, so how we will prove that? In order to prove AOB is a line, we have to prove that either x plus y is equal to 180 degree or z plus w is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Okay. So, let's start how to prove it. Okay. Now, first write it is what is given? Given x plus y is equal to w plus z. Okay, w plus z. It is given. To prove, what do we need to prove? AOB is a line. Okay, AOB is a line. So, now we can write x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Isn't it? Okay. Sum of all those angles is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because they form a complete angle. X plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Because they form complete angle, and complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now x plus y, see, let me write it like this. X plus y plus z plus w can be written as w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Now x plus y plus w plus z, I will replace w plus z with x plus y. Can you say why? Because we are using the given information. Here it is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So both are same. So I can write x plus y in place of w plus z. Okay. Given what we are using, x plus y is equal to w plus z. We can write it here reason. W plus z, since x plus y is equal to w plus z. Now, if we add 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now take common. X plus y, 2 is common. Okay. Then in bracket x plus y, now 360 degree. Now, x plus y is equal to 360 by 2. So, x plus y is equal to 2 ones and 3. What is the half of 360? 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Okay, it means, see, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. It means x plus y, see, x plus y is equal to, see in the figure, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. It means what? We have proved that AOB is a line. Okay, therefore AOB is a line. Proved. I hope you have understood it clearly. Now let's move to the next question. So friends, now let us read the next question. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, let us start the solution. Here it is given that POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now friends, observe here, POQ is a line. It means this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Angle POS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree. Now angle POS, angle SOR can be written as ROS plus angle ROQ. It is given 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, 180 degree. Now see what we need to prove. Angle ROS is equal to something. Keep angle ROS in left hand side and remaining you transpose to right hand side. 180 minus 90 minus angle POS. Okay. So angle ROS is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus angle POS. Now we cannot simplify it further. Name it equation number 1. Okay. Now ROS can be calculated from here also. See here. This one plus this one is what? See we need QoS also. See here. What do we need to prove here? You see here QoS. We need QoS also. We have ROS. We have POS. Now we need this one. Okay, this one QoS. Okay. So now QoS can be written as what? QoS can be written as angle SOR. See the figure, angle SOR plus angle ROQ. Okay, it means what? Angle QoS is equal to SOR can be written as ROS plus angle ROQ is 90 degree. Okay, so now ROS, see, I will write left hand side in right hand side in left. See, I can write it like this also. Angle ROS plus 90 degree is equal to angle QoS. Okay, just I have interchanged the sides. Okay, now angle ROS is equal to angle QoS minus 90 degree. Okay, now name it equation number 2. Now see, equation number 1. Now you see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now add these two equations. Okay, adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, then we will get angle ROS. We are adding equation number 1 and 2. Then add left hand side to left hand side, right hand side to right hand side. Angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to 90 minus angle POS plus angle QoS minus 90. Okay. Now angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to 2 times of angle ROS is equal to plus 90 minus 90 will get cancelled. We can write it as angle QoS minus angle POS. Now we are nearly to the this one. What do we need to prove? Okay. Now angle ROS just transpose 2 to right hand side. Okay. Now we can write it as 1 by 2 angle QoS minus angle POS. Okay. So proved. We have proved it. Isn't it easy? It's very easy. Okay, do practice. So friends, I hope you have understood today's topics very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And friends, if you like my videos and you feel that my videos are useful to you, please like and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.